So hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to make scrolling credits in CapCut. So the first thing you want to do is just open up a project which you would like to put scrolling credits in. So first you want to go to this text on the top left corner and you need to drag this default text to the place where you would like to put the scrolling credits. So probably you would like to put it on the end. So we're gonna put it right here in the end of the video. And you can either type in something or just record your voice and use captions. But now I'm gonna type in something. Okay, so now we have this text, and what you want to do is just click on the text, drag it down so that it's not visible. If you want it to go from the bottom of the screen to the top of the screen, you just want to pull it down, go to text, basic, scroll down to transform, and just click on the keyframe. Okay, so now we added a keyframe, so it's gonna start here, and we want to add another keyframe here, and we just basically want to drag the text where we want it to end. Now we have a keyframe at the beginning and we have a keyframe at the end, so it's gonna change like that. I'm gonna show you the final clip. As you can see right now it's really slow. If you want it to be faster, what you need to do is just make the text area smaller and just add the keyframe here. Now it's gonna be faster. So the shorter the text area, the faster it's gonna be. Alright, so all in all, this is how to make scrolling credits in CapCut. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to all premium CapCut features, you can try out CapCut Pro for 7 days for free by clicking the link in the description below. Also, check out our CapCut video editing for beginners ebook that you can also download for free. And last but not least, have a look at our other video editing tutorials, resources and deals in the video description as well.